Welcome to a tour of the highly anticipated new airport construction site. I'm UPT, and today we have the unique opportunity to witness the bustle of this remarkable project. Let's dive right in. It is sheer ingenuity for Benayade's government as governor in his tenure to have conceived the Obudu Cargo International Airport. Our journey begins at the entrance of the construction site. Welcome to Obudu Airport. So this is Obudu Airport and it's still under construction. So I will take you around the Obudu Airport. This is the entrance as you are coming. We came from that place and the road is quite bad. And the road is still under construction, as you can see. As we step further into the side, we are greeted by a breathtaking panorama of activity. Towering cranes, moving machinery, and work done already meticulously crafting the foundation for the future airport. It is a testament to human ingenuity and collaborative effort. The goal is to create a state-of-the-art cargo airport that can handle increasing passenger demands, enhance the traveler experience, and facilitate seamless air travel. The project involves constructing multiple terminals, runways, taxiways, and support infrastructure. It is a massive undertaking that will transform the region's aviation capabilities. Now let's explore one of the most vital components of any airport, the terminals. Follow me as we step inside one of the partially constructed terminals. As we walk through the terminal, take note of the cutting-edge features and innovations that will shape the passenger experience. As you can see, the road is very massive, very big. I think this is where the plane will land.